Part of the real value that grid engineering bring is that they take the time to really understand our business. And so when we have a new issue or problem we need their support with, they know immediately what's required and can get straight to work. And we really value the practical and pragmatic solutions they bring for our business.
Channel Infrastructure is a site that's been around since the 1960s. It started off as refining NZ. So a lot of the things that we have been around for a long, long time in a very harsh environment. We take our responsibilities to the upkeep of the harbour and to the environment really, really seriously. It's a key point. So when we start involving people to support Channel with looking after that asset, we've got to make sure that those people understand that gravity.
Grit have undertaken a really comprehensive assessment of our jetty. Our jetties are critical to our business. All of Auckland's fuel comes through our facility, and that jetty forms a really critical part of that operation, unloading ships that arrive from around the globe, delivering jet fuel, diesel and petrol to our facility at Marsden Point.
As we move forward and look to the future, we've got to make sure that we've got resilience in those assets. We've got Grit doing condition assessment on the jetty structure itself. They will then build a report and come back to us with a program for maintenance and for repairs. We also have another component that Grit are working on with us at the moment. We've got the major storage tanks and they're sitting in a bunded area. Again, these bunds were built back in the 60s and some of them through the 80s where the requirements have changed. So Grit Engineering have got this wonderful background in civil engineering. They've given us this design that's turned out to be both practical and cost effective, and we're in the process of doing these upgrades and we're finding it's been a great successful partnership. Specifically, the design is working and it's cost effective from the outset. Grit are great at adapting on the fly, answering technical queries, getting back to us quickly with solutions that are both again cost effective and really good for the project.
We find that Grit Engineering's people have real-world practical experience and they combine that with really good technical capability to come up with solutions that are going to work for their client.
It's this outside-the-box thinking, it's the adaptive thinking, and it's also just the intimate knowledge that they have. There's a lot of things that you can draw it on a piece of paper and it looks real good, but when you actually go and put the numbers up against it, it doesn't work. What we find with Grit is that their communication is fantastic. They'll listen, then they'll give you something that is right on task. We're growing together, we're supporting each other, and we see that future as a long-term future.